हाय
हाय।
हाय, ये जो अभी मैं देख के आ रहा था,
किसको?
जो ऐश्वर्या थी,
आपकी वाली?
वो
मतलब
विवेक
वो-
ओबराय को सर्च की थी टिंडर पे। तो ये इसमें रेखा जी कैसे सर्च करते हैं?
आपको क्यों सर्च करना है? आप कोविड के टाइम गए थे ना मिलने उसको।
वो तो मैं उन्हें पार्सल देने गया था। तो अमेजोन पे नहीं मिलती क्या रेखा जी?
मतलब प्राइम मेंबर हो तो शायद मिल जाए आपको।
वो तो अभिषेक से लेना पड़ेगा,
क्या?
प्राइम मेंबर।
नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक रेखा जी इज ऑन डेटिंग एप्स। आई थिंक शी इज
अच्छा,
हैप्पीली
अच्छा।
सिंगल और समथिंग ऐसा।
अच्छा 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 अच्छा। जीना तमान मिलेंगी।
A very warm welcome to our podcast, Relationships Aajkal, where we discuss pressing issues pertaining to every relationship, be it with your parents, your friends, your partner, or even your neighbors. I'm Prajakta.
And I'm Kalpit, and we will be your host for this episode. Before diving into this week's episode, here is what you're in for today. Our today's episode is
Are online relationships the real deal? In this episode, we will be discussing the evolution of online dating and dating apps, our experiences with virtual dating, and whether online love translates into offline long term relationships. So, Kalpit, where were you, yaar? For the past 1 or 2 months, I guess.
past 1 or 2 months I was here only next to you, but there was no recording device.
She.
Audio recording device.
Long time no see. Our internet was down. Can we use this excuse?
For 2 months, sure.
Let's just play it cool. We'll say like we are on mid-season break. We are like Modern Family. So I think this is the party line that we were on mid-season break, like Modern Family, without sponsors.
Yeah. That's the only difference between them and us.
Of course. What else?
So, Kalpit, tell me, have you ever dated online? This is not an interrogation. ये episode, ये topic
Hold
मैंने
up.
इसके लिए नहीं लिया है so that I can get to know your past secrets or whatever. Because
So-
इसमें ज़्यादा तुमसे ज़्यादा तो मेरे secrets को है. Have
So-
you ever online dated? Have you ever?
So I have not, but I had a friend
Who used to play chess online, and after,
whenever he had an opponent who was female and he would win,
he would go into the chat and write "I love you."
How does that help?
I don't know.
he's still single.
Yeah, no. So ठीक है, फिर episode करने की जरूरत नहीं. सीधा we hence proved online dating does not work.
So, if you are on playchess.com, you are looking for ladies. At least saying "I love you" after you have won against them does not work.
अच्छा,
Try again,
ठीक
test
है.
it.
ठीक, you can try some other combinations. This one definitely does not work.
Yes. He took one for the team.
But yeah, that's also a thing that the time when we were into dating, there was no avenue of online dating. The typical one which is there today. Like
Correct.
it's a full-fledged platform. It's a market out there, which wasn't there during our time. I have obviously अभी हमारे time पे क्या था when we used to date? We had Orkut, Facebook and all those things. So I didn't date. We were kids. अपना dating क्या होता था?
You found somebody with whom you can chat.
Exclusive chat
Exclusive
person
chat.
was our dating.
Correct.
या पहले था कि भाई दोनों जन अपनी साइकिल्स साथ साथ में हाथ में लेके ढकेल के चलाए साइड बाय साइड. दैट यूज्ड टू बी डेटिंग.
मैं आज भी वैसे ही चलाता हूँ.
विद हूम?
अकेले मैं और मेरी तन्हाई.
So yeah, that was dating. So once I think that was awkward. Okay. So I had befriended this mutual friend, whom I didn't know, of course, but we had some mutual friends. And we used to talk a lot. Normal talks, obviously. Kids. अपने टाइम पे क्या, but whatever, चलो.
आज तेरे को क्या होमवर्क दिया?
No, I was in a girls' school. I didn't have guys to ask this question.
मेरी फ्रेंड को ये होमवर्क दिया.
वो तेरी म्यूचुअल फ्रेंड है ना?
Yeah, so we used to talk. We talked for a while, like I think few weeks or a month, I guess. And after a while, we decided to meet. He said that he used to live in my area, and he said, "Ki, let's do a thing at this time. Come downstairs." At there was a shop, so that was the landmark decided, and we were supposed to meet there.
Was that shop Starbucks?
I used to stay in Kalyan, यार. अभी भी Starbucks नहीं है वहाँ पे. I think so. मतलब last since I checked. So we decided. Oh, and obviously we didn't exchange numbers and all. We didn't have phones to exchange numbers.
Exactly.
Landline कोई exchange नहीं करता. वो directory में सीधा मिल जाता है. तो so we decided to meet at this particular spot at a particular time. In broad daylight. it was 4 o'clock.
Daylight robbery.
Do you know this story?
Not actually, I
Nah,
think.
yeah, that's why. Okay, how did you know कि I was
Robbery
wrong?
हुआ था.
It was almost 4 in the afternoon, okay. So I went downstairs and there was this guy waiting, and I asked, "Are you so and so?" So he said, "Yeah." "Are you me?"
You said no.
I said, "Yeah." And then we just chatted for 5 minutes. It was all like, "Oh, it's so nice to see you in real life, and it was fun talking to you all this while. Okay, bye." It was all इतना ही था हमारा meeting.
No Jevlas ka, no Zoplas ka.
Please don't steal my viral tweet. So that's it. That's the only thing we talked, and just went back to our respective houses. And yeah, the spot was strategically decided. किसी के भी घर के पास नहीं था, so that no one gets to know anyone's addresses and stuff.
And then went home and blocked each other.
Oh no. So that's it. And then घर चले गए अपने. After a few days, I happened to meet my mutual friends and all for like normally, and this topic came up, and I told her that do you know I've been talking to your friend since many days, and we recently just met, and he's a nice guy, this, that, and all. So she's like, "Oh, you met this guy?"
He's married.
Shut up. No, yeah. He was. I'm not that much into older men, yaar. So she said, "Oh, that guy. Oh, I know him. Wait, let me. This guy, right?" And I was at her place. So she showed this group pic in her PC. And she said, "Okay, this guy, right?" And I said, "No." Then I again confirmed the name. "I think you must be mistaken. I'm talking about so and so guy." And she said, "Yeah, this is the guy. This is my friend."
Oh.
And I said, "No, he's not the friend whom I met." See, Orkut pe, you know, if I know you were never on Orkut and officially never on Facebook before
My
12.
mama said no.
And she says no,
guy.
yes to everyone. Our recording device fell.
On me.
Mama, pick me up. I'm scared. Okay. Please, back to my interesting story.
Okay, but this is actually interesting. I've never heard this.
I was saving the best for the rest.
And then
I
in
want
one
to
of the
give up.
podcasts, you're like, I'm married to somebody else also.
So, see, I believe in giving our
I have 3 kids.
listeners a very genuine experience. So, you know Orkut. वहाँ पे our DPs used to be, mine used to be Selena
Selena
Gomez
Gomez, I
pics.
remember.
And then
Amrita
men,
Rao.
and then men used to keep, I
Hrithik?
don't know, maybe Hrithik, even though that Zac Efron and all.
Hmm.
So
Correct.
these
High
were the
School
only two
Musical और
people.
कुछ भी shoot हुआ था.
Oh my god. I used to like Vanessa Hudgens, but then after a controversy, I just shifted to Selena Gomez so that
You are
people should
basic.
not think that I'm endorsing her lifestyle. And then they should expect the same from me. Because what if they mistaken me with actual Vanessa Hudgens, because that's my DPK. You owe me some pictures, babe. So I disowned her. Okay, so the point is, since everyone had their Zac Efrons and Vanessa Hudgens and Selena Gomez's in their DPs, we never knew how the other person looked like
Oh.
at all.
Damn.
And Orkut wasn't Instagram where if you don't have pictures of your own, it's something fishy.
Correct.
There
If you have pics of your own, then it's fishy, no? Then it,
So, obviously, we did not know how the other person looked like. It was a complete surprise for both of us whenever we met. And then,
but all this.
you know, I'll tell you even other stories. One of them you know, but okay. We obviously did not know how the other person looked like. I, like a mad person, went to meet that guy, and later I understood that that guy sort of got paranoid about who is this girl.
Oh.
So if I ever meet her, like if I actually meet her, and I don't end up liking her, or like she's not someone who I expected her to be, then I can't get rid of her, na? Matlab, she knows me. What if she spots me somewhere? What if I'm with some other girl? And so for that, he sent his best friend to do a screen test.
Oh my god.
So like he was supposed to
Seriously?
come, and he was given specific instructions to not talk anything personal because he did not know anything personal about me. So if I would say something like, "Arey, remember जो कल मैंने तेरे को बताया था," and he wouldn't know मैंने क्या बताया था उसको कल ना. So we were just supposed to have ऐसा casual talks. Casual भी क्या था? Oh, it's so nice to meet you. Oh, I hope we do it again. Chalo, bye. Okay, that's it. And then he'll go back and report to that actual guy.
And then what will happen? I'm just asking.
Exactly. I don't think he was too smart. What if I was like better than what he expected?
Then what will happen? How will
And also, he looked entirely different from his friend. I mean, their heights didn't match, their complexions didn't match. And see, I'm not being a racist here. I'm just talking about practical difficulties.
Correct.
Like if on the scale of 1 to 10, if you are a 10, now you decide what 10 is. So you can't bring your friend who's a 1. At least bring a 7 or an 8 so that you can say कि मैं just गोवा गया था tan होके आया हूँ. Why a 1? And he was completely, he looked good actually.
नहीं, but my
The friend looked good, yeah. The one who actually came to meet me. I still don't know his name, but I would rather talk to him, I guess. Now.
But I still don't understand what was the modus operandi. Like, okay.
I don't know, he was somewhere convinced that I might turn out to be completely different from what he imagined. And the
He
thing
was.
is, I don't know why he thought I'd never find out. Did I give that impression of me being that dumb that I can't figure it out later? वो जो Phoebe
Let's
का था
see.
ना कि Phoebe, he's gonna notice when you won't have a baby in 9 months. It's Joey.
Exactly.
Oh God. अभी मेरे को ऐसा revelation है. No यार, I used to be really smart. अभी का नहीं पता, तभी I
No,
was.
but I'm seriously thinking, what was he? Did he think this through?
So that was one of my online dating stories, which was not online, which was not dating, which was hardly a story. But this was my experience because apne time pe we did not have Tinder and all.
Yeah.
No one
correct.
dated online. Okay, that was more like online friendships.
Yes.
And then we were kids.
Yeah.
क्या
I mean-
करते अपन kids यार?
And you're right. During our time, by the way, saying during our time feels like we are talking about 1980s and all. Huh?
I know.
But the way apps have evolved, our times was actually 1980 only.
I know.
So in our times, online dating was making a profile on Facebook,
Mm-hmm.
then looking at different profiles, just sending friend request, and that's it.
That's it.
And then hoping कभी कुछ बात हुई तो, or like my friend just sending I love you.
So yeah, that's how the evolution of dating must have started. I would consider it from Facebook because
Yeah.
उसका base भी वैसे ही था ना, like it was made for rating girls, which was hell stupid. But that's how people actually met other people.
Correct. Other than whom you know in
Yeah,
real life.
I think the whole agenda was adding people whom you haven't met in real life or you
Yeah.
cannot meet in real life.
Correct. I mean, for example, we were in the same class for 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
And then we never, I think you saw me once, I saw you once.
Yeah, in 2 years.
In 2 years. And
Not
we
that I
met-
came to college every day, but that's still a very small number.
Correct. And then we met on Facebook. We started talking on Facebook.
Yeah, we did. I had never met you in real life, and there were no chances that if we didn't meet on Facebook, we would meet ever.
Correct. So, would that, I mean, technically it would still be online dating, but practically we couldn't take anything forward
Hmm.
if we wouldn't meet in real life.
Yeah,
It's not like you can just.
that was the trigger that got us started.
Correct.
And honestly, yeah, there were no chances that we would meet later because later even our divisions got separated.
So, in our times, and by our times I mean 2010s.
Yeah.
So, in our times, one type of online dating was, I think, Facebook, Orkut maybe.
And then Sida, I think.
Shaadi.com.
Yeah, exactly. Bharat Matrimony and all those things.
And these people nowadays have matrimony based on religion. That's
Oh, yeah,
next
there
level
are-
filter.
There are 100 other websites. There's children of Bharat Matrimony, Marathi Matrimony.
They have
Gujarat-
Yadav matrimony. Surnames पे आ गए यार. Just imagine making your profile
Dude,
on
that's
Pandey
like
matrimony.
your family WhatsApp group.
Exactly. Yadav matrimony. But now you see how different types of apps are there. You've got your Tinder. Similar to that is your, what is that? Bumble.
Yeah, I just, no, not B, just Bumble. You
I-
have Grindr, you have Bumble, you have Tinder.
And whatnot.
Yeah, these are the only ones I know. And I got picked out from the dating market way before these apps were launched.
Yes.
So I sort of never got to use it. I installed it once just to see how it is.
You installed it to see if you can
Arey,
find your.
I'm an evil person, yeah. Don't
Colleagues
tell all
on it
my
and give-
secrets here. See, it's fun. So I just
Correct.
installed it to see. Nahi yaar, I don't want to say this.
Nahi,
It will
but,
be
uh,
too much information.
But just saying, there are a lot of people who do that. I
Nahi,
think
matlab-
I think 50 to 60% of girls who are there on Tinder are there to either check if their boyfriends are on Tinder
Yeah.
and
I know you
either-
aren't. I checked your phone.
Even after I changed my password,
You changed your password.
the
You have a password.
sorry, I forgot my face.
Face. So yeah, I live in my organization's, what do you call it, residential quarters. And I just installed Tinder so I could see which of my colleagues who are my neighbors are on the app.
And what are they posting?
And I really got some weird results.
Remember that?
Are you saying something classified?
No. I'm just
Okay.
saying there was this guy who actually had उसके बच्चे का photo. I mean, like उसका family photo on Tinder.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, he was. I just hope that he didn't know what Tinder was. So
Yeah,
he just created a profile कि मेरे को हर social
सारे
networking
social
app पे
media पे।
रहना है.
But I feel there are good points to all of this evolution also. That now you get all of these options. See, traditionally, in our times, or maybe traditionally how it functions is that you meet a friend who's maybe a friend, friend's friend, or you know
It's just a
them.
web of friends.
Correct.
Sort of limited.
So all your dating options are within those pool.
Yeah.
But imagine how difficult it would be for people who are from LGBTQ community to find somebody.
That is true.
First of all, when it's 2020, even today, nobody can go up to their parents and say that he's gay or lesbian or whatever. Imagine how difficult it would be to find somebody.
Yeah. Yeah, like you cannot actually come out in the society and say that, listen, I'm not straight. You do not have that luxury of saying openly what you are, and then also hoping that someone else is also in the same boat as yours, but he would have also have the guts to actually come and say ki, you know what, even I am the same.
And you both happen to meet each other also.
That's a lot of Indian matchmaking happening.
Correct.
The chances of that are very slim. See, dating in India is not a very common thing. I think today, at least a bit, it's fine, it's acceptable. At least the parents of our generation, at least 50% of them can accept the fact that their children are out there dating. They are seeing someone, they are talking to someone romantically.
Yeah.
People can accept that, thoda sa at least. But I think that I, who has lived in a metro city since I've been born, I cannot judge for the whole country. And now that I've seen people from various parts of the country, I know this is not a very common scenario. Ki dating and all is widely accepted.
Correct.
Yeah, at least a bit accepted. So dating is still a taboo in our country. People do not want to openly accept ki their kids are romantically or sexually active in our society. So you can't actually date someone openly. You cannot explore the options. You cannot fall in love without being afraid कि बाजू वाली आंटी देख लेगी and मम्मी को पता चल गया तो मेरा phone किसी ने देख लिया तो and all. So I think these apps provide you a little bit of security.
Correct.
And a little more options.
I think options is the biggest part.
Options is the biggest part. मतलब पहले ऐसे होता था कि you knew 10 eligible guys in your community or girls in your community, someone who stayed nearby, and 5 of them you didn't like before dating, and the remaining 5 you didn't like after dating. So after that you would think कि भाई options exhausted, खत्म गया, bye bye. You would sort of lose hope, and then you would also settle with someone whom you don't want to in the first place just because of lack of options.
Exactly. And when you say this, a point came to my mind that imagine all the unconventional type of relationships. They can't blossom without these apps, I believe now. Like for example, a widower.
Oh yeah.
Who's maybe now 60 wants a companion. Do you believe
Correct.
it's easy for him to just go out and talk to people?
That's
and
a good
then say
point.
ki, I'm looking for a companionship. So I think all these apps provide a safe haven, maybe non-judgmental.
And you know
route.
what is the best thing they provide? A pre-approved loan jaisa cheez. See, if you meet someone, the first thing which you have to figure out, and it takes a huge amount of time, is even that person interested in a relationship?
Yes, exactly.
Apps पे वो सबसे बड़ा एक tick हो जाता है कि if that person is on that app, that means he is open to a relationship.
Correct.
The way you mention a widower or a widow or someone who's single, a single mother, if she is looking for someone, at least if she's looking for those people on a website, on an app, and if the other person whom she seems to like is also there, at least she doesn't have to worry ki does he want the same things.
Correct.
He
Okay,
does, thankfully. And then, you know, that will save her the embarrassment of actually taking the leap and instead of being rejected.
And imagine when you are already in an unconventional
Situation.
method
Yeah.
of this of relationship where you already are sort of in a taboo
Yeah,
situation, and then you face a rejection.
and you are so vulnerable. That is right. Like these apps and these websites, they actually provide you a good platform to meet like-minded people in every way.
And as you said, that now you don't have to worry about these 10 people I knew, and now I have to get settled amongst these only.
The horizon of choices broadens a lot.
Correct.
And you see those ads no कि अरे someone is sitting in Mumbai कि अरे ऐसा कोई मिलेगा क्या मुझे कि जिसको ये पसंद हो वो पसंद हो, and a guy like that actually exists somewhere in Delhi.
Correct.
See, Delhi में वैसे guys मिलते नहीं है, so let me change the place. Sorry, but yeah.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah.
So yeah, that might happen. See, that sounds like a really sweet story, but I feel like that's one of the exceptions. It's not a very commonplace thing.
Correct.
I don't know.
See, frankly, if I actually think about all of the people I've known who use these apps, are they in a relationship? I can't remember any.
Yeah, because we are old, we don't have people who use these apps.
I don't have friends only. All I'm trying to say is ki whether everything what these apps promise or the rosy pictures which they try and show on their websites, on their billboards,
Yeah.
like these two came from a different background, met on our app and are married or are settled or are happy together.
Yeah.
Is that the case or is that true always?
I really think that's an exception.
I mean, all of these apps, with all their good points, which they bring to the table, there comes a lot of things which may not be entirely true. Like, for example, if I'm making a profile.
Yeah, I met a completely different guy. yaar.
Yes.
Such a-
Point number
And
one.
the point is, I liked him more than the guy I was talking to.
So exactly, see,
If I meet somebody whom I have met on Tinder, and if I meet them in real life, see, I don't know if I will be able to trust what is being shown to me.
Yeah.
Even that person at that point of time, or I can't believe if that person will be not artificial, not trying to
And babe,
play a
that's
persona.
the thing which you're talking about ना, वो तो काफी आगे की बात है. The betrayal can start at any level. First of all, it can be a catfish account. Okay.
Angel Priya.
Yeah. You don't even need to go till the person's characteristics.
Correct.
पहले तो you don't know if that account is a real account. If the person handling that account matches their description which they have shown. उसके बाद तो और आगे जाता है कि are they really what they portray?
Correct.
Are they talking just to you? Are they talking to 100 other people in the same way and using the same lines,
Copy
recycling? Huh, exactly. At least in real life, if that guy is roaming with 10 other girls, तो 9th या 8th लड़की के साथ शायद आप देख लोगे उसको कभी
शायद.
तो.
Or you have to be really
कभी
stupid.
तो है
Because Tinder
is-
तो आसपास के लोकेशन नहीं है ना.
Oh yeah. But he can keep moving ना यार.
हाँ वो भी है.
Whatever. And see, that proves you don't know Tinder. Anyway. Somewhere, I don't know, I'm very wary about these apps. I'm very
Also,
old school.
If
What
let's
else
say
is
you would have
expected?
met this person in through your friend's friend, you'll hold somebody accountable. Somebody.
That's what we always need.
See,
that
our
is true. Huh?
Indian uncles and aunties, why don't they buy anything from Amazon and Flipkart? They're like, office का है.
किसको जाके हम डांटेंगे इसका
हाँ,
ये बैग का
Vijay
zip
sales
निकल
for the
गया
win.
तो वही you are right you need a physical
Yeah.
presence of at least कोई तो एक punching bag बीच में होना चाहिए.
Exactly. Do you think the society will be okay with meeting somebody online?
I know.
क्या एक भी रेफरेंस नहीं है? यार यहाँ पे तो जॉब के लिए रेफरेंस चाहिए होती है. यहाँ तो तुम किसी को लाइफ टाइम हायर करने वाले हो.
Why I don't feel completely comfortable. I don't think it's a very common phenomenon of online relationships blossoming into real, long-lasting, real-life relationships. See, don't you think sometimes that you find love when you're not looking for love?
It happened with us.
तो इसीलिए apps like Tinder, Bumble, etc. जहाँ पे भी you go with an agenda to find love. मेरे को वो ज़्यादा स्कैरी लगता है दैन यू एक्चुअली मीटिंग ऑन नॉर्मल सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट्स लाइक ट्विटर, फेसबुक, whatever,
Got it.
where you haven't gone primarily to date.
Correct.
It just happened that you just meet someone, your wavelengths match, and you start talking to each other, and then you bring that in your real life and you continue that there. Somewhere I'll be fine with that also, because that's just a meeting place. But a place where you go only with the idea of dating, कि यार मेरे को आज 5 जनों को पटा के आना है,
Correct.
the other person changes and that's not the real you. Real you online नहीं बिकता है.
Hmm.
Plain things, simple things don't sell online. You have to put on a show. You have to show yourself as some jazzy person or someone very interesting. मतलब बहुत टैलेंट है तुम में, तुम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हो, तभी तुमको कोई भाव मिलेगा ऑनलाइन.
Yeah.
Do you think people will come and say, you know, I'm interested in knowing the inner beauty of a person?
Time का है. More than time, choices इतनी है.
You know, sometimes choices is a bad thing.
Correct, right?
You get distracted very easily.
Exactly.
Choices से एक प्रॉब्लम होता है ना कि whenever you are in a relationship and even the smallest hurdle comes along, you treat that hurdle as something bad in your relationship कि oh god, मतलब something is terribly wrong in the relationship and I should just throw it away
Correct.
because it's no good.
And choices
and then
है.
you have someone else. So you won't fear ending up alone. See,
Correct.
I'm not talking about things जहाँ पे you are in an abusive relationship and
Yeah.
you can't leave
That
because
is-
choice नहीं है, वो बात नहीं है. But because of availability of too many choices, you somewhere just throw things away instead of repairing them.
Correct.
Instead of understanding कि hurdles and compromises ये somewhere relationship का part है. You are two different people. You cannot match all the time. कहीं ना कहीं तो difference आएगा एक person का भी and that will cause inconvenience. That's
Correct.
normal.
This is like just speed dating, which is happening through your phone.
And then you're dating. Are you falling in love?
Yeah, that's a good point.
Did
were
you
asking
ever
something.
casually dated?
No, actually, no.
Did you ever date?
I met somebody 9.5 years ago.
Oh. So, yeah, what do you think? Will you ever? Now to you won't. Just you
I
shouldn't.
hope.
Would you endorse online dating to anyone whom you know?
See, if you will ask me maybe this thing before all of this COVID and all pandemic happened, I would say no. But after all of this COVID pandemic and all, I would say 60-40. I might tell people, यार देख तो ले,
Yeah, come on.
बात
मतलब,
कर लो.
how
Make
is that
friendship.
love? Yeah, love is ऐसा जब तुम मिलते हो and then you go and tell your friends कि you know what, वो ऐसा ये मस्त करता है, वो ये मस्त, and then you just keep falling for small things of the other person. यार online कहाँ होना है वो?
In this, you keep doing that for multiple people at the same time.
Oh God. Yeah, I think na COVID has changed the world so much na. We are witnessing abhi internet weddings.
Correct.
I wasn't a part of it, but I know someone who actually had an internet wedding. The bride and the groom are together, but their families, even not just their extended families, even their parents, they were not with them.
Imagine the
So-
kind of money they saved.
You just think about money, bhai.
नहीं मतलब just imagine no, the kind of money they saved. 800 people coming to the wedding.
ठीक है, but we
Whatever,
finally
whatever.
concluded ना कि it's fun. It's
हाँ.
if it's a one time event जहाँ
If
पे
it's your only one marriage.
only wedding, then you can
Yes. If you are planning to,
you
then
can just split the guess. आधे जगह को बोले
हाँ.
next one में आना.
आप लोग को सीजन 2 में बुलाए.
तो yeah, I don't think I'll ever.
Fully engross.
I'm not very comfortable with the idea of online dating. I find it very unsafe. अब वो unsafe आपको कौन से वे में बोलना है, you can take it in any way. I find it unsafe security wise. Like people getting to know all your personal details, sometimes your home. मतलब what if Kalpit, you start talking to someone, you exchange numbers, you visit each other's homes and things go south. after that you'll be just worried कि that person has all your details, he's out there, you don't even know him.
Exactly.
बाकी टाइम पे ना एटलीस्ट ऐसा होता है कि if any of your exes go rogue, you have multiple people जिनको
To put the brakes.
हाँ मतलब they can control them, they can advise them. But what about people जिन पे आपका कोई control नहीं है in real life? You don't know any of the close people कि भाई उनको भी डर रहा है कि मैंने इसके साथ कुछ गलत किया, या आके कल मेरी मम्मी को बता देगी. I
saying
find
that-
them unsafe in even this way, in emotional ways also.
Correct.
That you just get invested in someone. See, that's the peril of dating anyway. Online की बात नहीं है वो. But somewhere I think the chances of betrayal or the chances of you finding out something altogether different about the person, the chances they increase a lot in online dating.
Correct.
Rather than real, because real में आप कितना छुपाओगे? When you're physically present in front of someone all the time, and if there are people who know you, you can't hide your past,
Correct.
you can't hide your present.
Correct.
But यहाँ पे you can do everything. No one
Everything.
knows your past.
Everything. It's not like Tinder is asking for Aadhaar card to do KYC verification. Come on, yaar. Ola Wallet knows more about me than Tinder will ever know.
Oh yeah. So although the safety and that safe haven is a good part, but then somewhere उसका खराब ये ज़्यादा है, I guess.
So I think it all comes down to it's a tool and how do you use it.
See, now this is like that 7th standard का is a technology boon or bane. and it always ends with that line कि technology is a
It's a tool,
dual-edged
yeah.
sword. Kids don't date anyone online. एकदम अपने आजू बाजू में देखने का, उन्हीं को डेट करने का easy भी होता है.
क्या?
Date well ऐसा
अच्छा,
ऐसा you know each other बचपन से.
अच्छा,
What were
अच्छा.
you thinking?
Meeting spots.
मैं नहीं कुछ बोल रही. I don't know ये सब.
I don't know.
अदरवाइज चुपचाप अरेंज मैरिज करो, अपने मम्मी पापा को खुश
भारती
रखो, वो
matrimony.
जिसको भी भारती
क्या? I don't know. I've never
भारत
met.
रे why is
जो भी है
भारती
यार.
matrimony? नहीं डेट whoever you want, fall in love, fall in real love यार. ये ऑनलाइन कुछ नहीं होता है. ओके होता है बट इट्स बेटर इफ यू डू इट नहीं, इट्स बेटर इफ यू डेट in real life.
All I'm saying is that
Stay
be
safe,
aware of.
सावधान रहे, सतर्क रहे.
जय हिंद.
Make in India.
आत्मनिर्भर भारत. और
भारत
क्या क्या बोल रहा है
मतलब-
मोदी जी ने?
The guy who's single.
उनका अकाउंट होगा क्या?
किस पर?
फेक अकाउंट तो होगा. आई एम श्योर नरेंद्र मोदी वो हैव अ फेक
उनका तो घर भेज दिया था ना यूपी में किसी ने अकाउंट OLX में बना के. That's why technology is a boon sometimes. And that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this episode as much as we did and had a good time. Like, follow and subscribe to our podcast and tune in every Saturday for a brand new episode. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on Instagram with the same username Relationship Satchel. You can also find us on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, JioSaavn or wherever you get your podcast dose from. See you next Saturday, one relationship at a time.
If you want to see us all Saturdays, please give us money.
Shut up.